Okay, happy Saturday morning. Yesterday afternoon, I finally got my two 5 kilowatt AOUSK batteries installed, and it took about probably an hour. And I charged both of these batteries during this week, had them both up to 100%. I let them sit 24 hours, maybe a little longer, and the current on both of them were reading the same. And for some reason, the capacity of these batteries are different. Get down here and I'll show you that. One showed up to be 100 amp hours, which it's supposed to be, and the other one showed up to be at 106. So they're both, one's above and one is right at where they should be. Not real crazy about these cables. See the way it's got the real sharp bend in it? And if you put it over here the other way, you can't get to your screens. As you can see, I have no communications running at all. I don't need them. There is a nice Bluetooth app for these, which I have no desire to put on my phone. I don't want some company in China watching everything that's on my phone. That's just my take on it. And I live here. If I want to see what's going on, I just come out and look at them. They appear to be playing well, as you would expect, with the EG4s. And that one is saying 87%, 87%. Well, let's look at my EG4s. 87, 85, 88, 92, 87. And I think my inverter is still, let's see if it's still thinking. Well, I may have figured out the battery bank finally. The voltage and capacity sensor generally takes a day or so. This didn't get turned back on last night till about, I don't know, 3:30, quarter to 4 in the afternoon. So I'm going to let this go for a few days. I still have my T-class fuse to install, and I'm just going to run them like this for a while and see what happens. But so far so good. They fit on top of this EG4 cabinet quite well, as you can see. The configuration of the positive and negative is backwards from the regular batteries, which I already knew. And like I said, I really have no need for all the cabling that comes with those. Excellent manual came with them as well. But if I want to see what's going on, I just touch these buttons. Oh, I went the wrong way. Alright, making a fool out of myself here. I can't see the camera. There we go. Then you go down to the capacity and you hit that button. And it shows you what's going on. Sorry about my clumsiness. I'm trying to look at the phone and the battery at the same time. But anyway, we'll see what happens. And these have 6 lights on the bottom. They appear to be doing what they claim to do. So, for the price, I'm pretty happy. Alright, I'll do an update on this later on. I'm going to let it go and do some charge cycles and see what happens. And that's it on the AOUSK install. They finally got installed, and once again, the installation at this time is still not complete. I got a few more things to do. All right, that's it. There's my update.